Nitro cold brew. Guys, little challenge real quick. Go on your Instagram, get a nitro cold brew from Starbucks. Like a nitro cold brew. It's not a regular cold brew, this is a nitro cold brew. Comes out of a tap. Tag me in your pictures drinking a nitro cold brew at Modern Diesel Corey. Go give me a follow. But anyways, what the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. Today, we have made it back to the land of Powerstrokes. This is becoming a regular thing. What the heck do you know about that? Today, we're gonna see if we can possibly get an update on the race truck. There's some things going down. I don't know if they want to remain a secret for the Ultimate Callout Challenge or if they want to be on YouTube. I don't know. Let's go see what we're working with. We're at SPE, by the way. But, let's go. Yeah, it's a good song. All right, special episode of Tech Talk with Ronnie. He's gonna give us the lowdown on the SPE race truck. So I mean, there's big changes. I mean, it's kind of hidden. It's top secret stuff for UCC, but I only see one turbo under there.
So yeah,
one single turbo.
There's one turbo. Yeah, we swapped her out to a obviously a single. We did a new manifold design. We're kind of trying something new.
I seen it. It looks super cool.
Yeah.
But it's under there. This is like the mocked up deal.
Yeah.
You can see it. There it is.
Rigged up in there.
What size turbo is that?
That is a 488.
Is that what you're gonna run?
Well, that's what we're gonna try with. I mean, we have a few turbos around the shop that we can play with. We have a big enough parking lot. We can just run out and make a few test hits and see how it goes. Nothing crazy. I mean,
but for right now, the truck is gonna stay a single, right?
As of now, the cool thing about this setup, at least the manifold setup, it's a little more useful than last year or previous years. And it should flow a lot more. And when we had the triples on there, it was kind of a pain in the ass to work on the truck, but this way, it should allow us to, if we would like to run the triple setup again, we could probably modify it and still run the triples, just a little bit different, and as well make it flow better, a little less engine back pressure, or exhaust back pressure, wow. But
dude, you're crushing the Tech Talk.
Yeah.
there is so much room in between the front of the engine and the actual grill. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And this is gonna get mounted somewhere in the vicinity behind.
Probably behind here.
Yeah. All right, guys. So there you go. There's a little sneak peek, quick update into the race truck, the SPE race truck. Went from a triple turbo setup to a big single setup, and they did swap back to a 6.7 front end because, of course, that is a 6.4 front end and the truck is a 6.7 Powerstroke. So basically it's time to represent exactly what it is instead of the 6.4.
Still better front end.
Ronnie likes the 6.4 front end. Let me know what you guys think on the 6.7 versus the 6.4 front end.
What do you like?
Honestly, my true honest opinion is that when I seen pictures of this like this, I liked the fiberglass race front end. But after seeing it in person, I'm liking the 6.7 deal. We will try to keep you guys somewhat posted in between now and the UCC, which is coming up here in like a month. Today's April 1st. The UCC is what, the 3rd? 2nd or 3rd, somewhere in the beginning of May.
Yeah, so
we have right around a month. So we'll try to keep you guys updated for
viewers can come get
startup. There you go. But that's it.
I passed a Starbucks. I'm gonna buy one tomorrow.
They have one at the Belle Vernon Starbucks. Not every Starbucks has the
yeah, that's the one I would get on at.
You get off the exit right there, and it's like the Starbucks is right along the highway.
Pretty much.
You got to go behind the. Yeah.
Blue's not super clean, but.
So this is the transmission out of the blown up one, right? How many miles run this?
It was like 330 or
326, I think.
I've been saying 330-ish.
It's in that ballpark.
Okay.
300 plus.
300 plus thousand, 330-ish thousand miles. Transmission teardown. Now this, you didn't clean this.
Nope, that's straight off of this.
We're making Powerstrokes great again, day by day, okay? This is the what, 6R140?
Yeah, 6R140, 6-speed.
Now this is the transmission pan, just took it off. This is disassembling the whole thing. Stock power.
What's that?
But you're just building it to just do it, right? Because obviously the thing's gonna be like 1400 horsepower. Might as well,
At some point.
yeah. So there we go.
We want room to grow.
Why the hell does the power goal keep getting higher for this truck?
I mean, it's 2,000 horse.
It was like,
disgusting.
it started out as like, oh, we're just gonna test products and like, maybe 800.
Every discussion,
1,000.
it climbs like 200 horsepower.
1,400, you know, it was 1,000, now it's 1,400 because we're gonna
Started out like 700, yeah, and then the next time, you know, 1,000. Okay, 14.
If you can make more, why wouldn't you?
because we have to tear it apart a lot.
So yeah, the pan is definitely super clean. Let's see the clutches whenever you tear that down. And it was a work.
Better than that one.
It was a work truck too.
It had to be.
It was definitely. I think obviously it had a lot of highway.
I just want to know the idle hours. That's what I really.
Does it tell you on that truck?
Yeah,
Yeah,
my
we-
6.4 did too, and that's
I don't think
hilarious.
we didn't.
The batteries
look at it before
were
you-
the batteries were dead.
I checked my idle hours today. I have 372.
My buddy on a 6-liter that has
That seems kind of high.
on a 6-liter that has.
Don't you like sleep in your truck sometimes? Like.
Sometimes.
I mean, yeah, he's on location sitting.
Right.
I mean, my buddy's 6-liter. Josh's has like 2,500 and it has 200K on it.
Wow. 2,500 idle hours.
Yeah. Or maybe not idle hours, just hours on it. Maybe, I don't know. But they actually tell you idle hours now.
That literally looks like the motherboard out of a computer or something.
Kind of what it is.
Transmissions are like a great mystery to me, and they freak me out. That doesn't look that bad, but looking at that thing there, whoo, man. See ya.
There's OD.
Are those the ones that usually go first?
OD is the highest numerical gear load,
Okay.
and it's also the smallest clutch. So
Getting technical.
that's not burnt. So here's a good
Check that out.
here's a good overdrive clutch, and then here's a bad one.
You guys can still see the
Oh god.
things there. You can see how it's raised off of there. And now we'll look at a burnt one.
Well, it's a little more than just burnt. This is overdrive on drugs,
Woo!
but they warp. Believe it or not, bad tuning can even do that.
Bad tuning. Uh-oh. So there you go. Stock power, 330-ish thousand miles. We got to figure out the freaking number. That's pretty cool. So if that looks good, theoretically, I didn't mean to cut you off. Theoretically, the rest will be okay?
No, I mean, not necessarily.
Okay.
No. This is
I'm learning.
This is direct. Not bad. Looks pretty good.
That's super cool.
So we could have just. I wouldn't have had to pull this. We could have just did a fluid change and.
I mean,
1,400 horsepower, send it.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it's going to require a little bit more than that, but
This is some in-depth tech look here at the Powerstroke transmission, right?
For them, yeah, definitely.
this is forward. So this is in 1, 2, 3, 4 gearing.
Okay.
This is applied. Mainly why they call it forward gear. That looks good.
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all.
And then intermediate.
Here,
Yikes. Scary stuff to me.
snap rate's scary.
Yeah.
Shoot your eye out.
It's kind of sketchy.
No, somebody actually died from one of these.
Oh, God.
It's a thick. Alright.
Woohoo!
It's pretty heavy duty.
Alrighty guys, my visit at SP had to get cut short. I got called out for a hotshot run. I have to go back to Waynesburg, Pennsylvania, so I got about an hour and 26 minutes from currently where I'm at in Latrobe to Waynesburg. And then it's going to Ohio. But long story short, there's your update on the SPE race truck for the Ultimate Callout Challenge. They dropped the triple turbo setup and went to a big single. I will find a picture and put that here. So they're running the big single turbo, Dan's custom exhaust manifold, which is killer. There's nothing like that anywhere else, like physically in the industry. And they are in fact changing 11 to 16 front end instead of what they were previously running, the 6.4 fiberglass front end. So they're going to the 6.7 front end, which I do like a lot better. Also, you guys got to see inside of the 330,000 mile Powerstroke transmission, which everything in there was pretty good according to Dan. I mean, I don't know what I'm looking at with that stuff. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for some more updates on the race truck. We'll try to get you guys updated all the way up to the UCC, which is coming in the beginning of May. But that is about it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's upload. And if you're not a part of the Modern Diesel family, hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey. Check out what I'm doing daily. And stay tuned for some more awesome videos coming your way this week. As always, I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace!